Test a cleaning product on a hidden spot first to avoid visible spots, shrinking, or browning on upholstery. Start by identifying a discrete test area, such as the underside of a cushion or inside a seam, and remove any loose debris with a soft brush or vacuum. Apply the cleaner sparingly using a white cotton cloth or cotton swab rather than spraying, so you control the amount and avoid oversaturation. Blot the spot, do not rub, because rubbing can push the product deeper and distort the weave or pile. Allow the area to dry completely at room temperature, which may take several hours for water-based cleaners or longer for solvent-based products. After drying, inspect under consistent lighting for any browning, watermarks, color loss, stiffening, or shrinkage, and compare texture and hand feel to an adjacent untreated area. If any change appears, do not proceed with full cleaning and instead consult the upholstery manufacturer recommendations or test a manufacturer-approved product. Common mistakes are testing on an obvious or highly visible area, which defeats the purpose. So always pick an inconspicuous spot like under cushions or behind seams. If there is any adverse reaction, stop immediately and blot with clean water if the product is water-based to dilute residue. Another error is applying too much product during the test, which can saturate backing materials and cause wicking or staining later, so use a small amount on a cloth and work from the outside of the test spot inward. People often check the spot too soon before it is fully dry, which can hide browning or shrinkage. So wait until the fabric is completely dry and check texture and color in natural light. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources for making informed decisions about upholstery care and repairs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences and practical tips to help each other.